Alright guys, what's going on, man? What's good, YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? Hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey to 10,000 subscribers this year. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here, me, personally, I like to keep it consistent around here and drop a video every single day. So please, do me a favor, hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. Now today, guys, as yesterday, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, all you gotta do is click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video, but you're gonna wanna come back here and finish up this video because today we got a banger for you guys. As what I'm talking about is, the Air Jordan 8 Playoff. Now this shoe does not release until September 2nd. Now I'm also hearing now September 30th. I honestly had no idea. I thought it was June. Now in yesterday's video I said June 27th when that is incorrect. The shoe doesn't drop until September. I had no idea. And like I said before, I did cop this shoe off of GOAT. And this shoe is 100% legit because I already seen a UA pair of this, and let me tell you something. They did a excellent job, JB. Hold on. I have to clap it up for them, man. I have to clap it up for Jordan Brand because they did a excellent job on retroing this Air Jordan 8. Because as you know, the Air Jordan 8 is not as popular as all the, as most of these Air Jordan silhouettes, you know what I mean? Well, 1 through 14, you know what I mean? 8 being, the least model, not really looked at, not really sought after, unless they do like a collab or a Dornbecker, you know what I mean? But this shoe is really not, like I said, sought after. But let me tell you something about this sneaker right here, this Playoff. There's a lot of history behind the shoe. We're gonna dive deep into that as we dive deep into the detailed review and on foot of this, video. So please stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we got super duper content coming out to the channel. So please make sure you join the family. I will not disappoint you guys at all. But without further ado, let's get into today's review. Alright guys, before we jump into today's review, I want to show you guys something really fast. Alright, where they dropped the ball, they should have gave us the Air Jordan 8 retro card. They should have gave us a retro card with the, with the shoe, but they did not do that. They dropped the ball. Please, if anybody at Nike or Jordan Brand is watching, you never know. Please guys, please, just get us, hit us with the retro card, guys. That's all you need to do. But anyway, guys, now what I wanted to bring up is this is the Air Jordan 8. This is the shoe that he won the first three-peat in. So he beat the Los Angeles Lakers, then he beat Clyde Drexler, and then he beat Charles Barkley and the Phoenix Suns. So that's where you're getting all these colors from. So I wanted to, let you guys know out there for the youngins out there who don't know, now you know. But yeah, I'll try to, give you guys an, some B-roll of this sneaker if you haven't seen it before. When did these drop? Yeah, these dropped back in 2015. So yeah, some of you youngins probably never ever seen this sneaker before. But yes, this is the Air Jordan 8 3-peat. It's got all the colorways of all the teams that he destroyed in the finals. Alright guys, let's get back to the shoe. Alright guys, as we do over here on the channel, we always start off with the outsole. Now this outsole is one of the dopest outsoles on an Air Jordan silhouette. I don't care what you say, hands down, this has to be either number 1 or number 2. Because it's got to be between this one and the Air Jordan 10. 10's got all the, it's got a big jump man like this, but with all his stats. I think that, that takes the cake. But anyway, guys, taking a look at this one here, you got that, yellow golden jump man. You got some red, you got some black, you got some blue. Then you got all mixed of colors here in the middle. Very, very dope, man. Like I said, one of the dopest outsoles in the game. Moving up, you got this polyurethane midsole. Also, you got that speckle, that glitter-like paint job on it as well. Moving up, as you can see, the overlay, this plastic overlay. Now, I'm not too familiar with where that design came from with the red and black, but we all know the colorway obviously had to do with the Chicago Bulls. We're not that, meatballish. Now, as for the materials making up the upper, I gotta say, like I said in the beginning of the video, man, Jordan Brand, they really did knock it out of the park, man. This nubuck, suede, all of it, put together really, really well, man. And you guys can see that with the B-roll. Moving up towards the, collar of the shoe, you can see the strap. And as you can see, it reads Air Jordan there, debossed. Really, really nice. You can feel it, too, with your finger. Really, really dope. So fire, man. Moving up to the collar of the shoe, as you can see, we got some breathable holes, some perforated holes here. I would believe that's for, some breathability, on your foot while playing basketball. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the shoe, the heel. Nothing too crazy, just pretty much wrapped around with that nubuck. Really, really dope. As you can see, we got the Velcro that, allows the straps to attach to the, pretty much like a lacing system, but it attaches to the back of the shoe. Now for the detail pull tab, it's red. Now that is for the original 1993 Air Jordan 8s when they dropped. This is original. It was red. Now for all the Air Jordan 8s that actually dropped, after that, they came with a black pull tab, which I don't know why. Maybe Jordan Brand had this planned all along in its head, you know what I mean? And then now they drop it with the, with the red tab. But I'm super excited that they did because it's so fire, man. All right, guys, taking a look at the, inside of the shoe. Basically, what's going on the inside is going on the outside. I mean, basically, what's going on the outside is going on the inside. You got the the debossed Jordan here on the strap again. You got your perforated holes, near the collar of the shoe. Now, down towards the heel of the sneaker, you don't have as much as that plastic on the, inside of the shoe. But you can see more of the midsole. It's got that black with that sparkling glitter too as well. Nothing too crazy. Now, taking a look at the toe box, guys. This, like I mentioned before, the material is super, super nice. Nubuck, suede, really, really fabulous, man. All right, guys, moving up towards the lace, towards the laces, we have a flat black lace. Now, this does not come with any extra laces, nor would I recommend you taking these laces out because it's gotta be, because it is a pain in the neck. As you can see, you'd have to pull the straps back. Speaking of that, moving up, you can see the straps we have in embroidered 23 in red and white, which is so fire. The details on the sneaker is guaranteed top notch, top tier, right up there with the best of them, man. Moving up to the top of the tongue. Now this is where it gets really, really interesting, because as you can see, the sweater I have on from 8 and 9, yes, if you don't know who 8 and 9 is, links are in the description. Also, use my code SOMEMAN at the checkout. Save 15% on your entire order. Now, checking out this tongue, you can see it's got that patch-like, rug-like, carpet-like material, which pretty much is the same material I got on my sweater. So stay tuned for the end of the video with the arm foot. I also have it on my sweatpants. Very, very dope. It matches to the T. And I know you figs, I know you did this just for the sneaker, man. But anyway, guys, taking a look at the inside of the shoe now. This is where it gets really, really dope. The inside of the shoe with all the graphics on the inside, very, very fire. It kind of looks like the bottom of the shoe. You know, the outsole with all those different colors. This is so dope. I believe this has to do with something with Africa or African tribe or something like that. If I'm not mistaken, I'm sorry. As for the insole, I'm gonna try to get you guys a nice close-up shot, but as you can see, it reads Nike Air. Now this sneaker as well, this is one of the shoes that Jordan brand decided to go without any Nike Air branding on it, because Tinker and the rest of the staff believe that Jordan brand can do without. You know what I mean? He pretty much built it, already up to where they really didn't need the Nike Air branding anymore to sell the product, man. So yeah, I believe that was the start to everything, man. And also too, man, this could have been the last Air Jordan. Just imagine that. This could have been the last Air Jordan we could have ever had. Because remember, after he three-peat, he left and went and played baseball. And, that's when they started the Jordan 9. But then he came back, obviously, with the 10, the 11, the 12, and so on and so forth. But, yeah, man. As for sizing, man, these things do fit a little bit big. So if I were you, I would go a half size down. But if you can and you have the opportunity, I would definitely try them on before I purchase them. But you know how that goes nowadays, in the sneaker community. But anyway, guys, that is the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Don't go anywhere. We got that on foot for you at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, day out. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. 10K, here we come. But until next time, guys, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.